103 out. Yeah, they can't have a white baseball cap on. Not at the time. But he said
Did you know that in some states the rate of police brutality is so high it'll leave you speechless? Today I'm exposing the top states where this issue is out of control. Stick around because what you're about to hear might just shock you to your core. Welcome back. Police brutality is tearing through communities across the United States, and you need to know where it's hitting the hardest. We're talking about excessive force by law enforcement. Think beatings, chokeholds, and worse. That's leaving victims scarred and families shattered. In this video, I'm counting down the states with the highest rates of police brutality. But first, let's get real about why this matters. Police brutality isn't just a headline, it's a human rights crisis. It destroys trust in the very people meant to protect us. Protests have erupted, hashtags have trended, but the problem? It's still here. So which states are the worst offenders? Buckle up because I'm diving into the top 5 right now. Number 5, California. With over 39 million people, this state's a hotbed for police brutality cases. In 2020 alone, there were over 500 reported incidents. Crazy, right? And who could forget the brutal beating of Rodney King back in 1991? That footage sparked riots and put the whole nation on edge. Number 4, New York. The NYPD is one of the biggest police forces out there, but it's got a dark side. Remember Eric Garner in 2014? Choked to death by an officer while gasping, "I can't breathe." A moment that ignited outrage and exposed a brutal truth. Number 3, Texas. This state's tough-on-crime attitude comes with a cost. Take Botham Jean in 2019, shot dead in his own apartment by an off-duty cop. It's a chilling story that'll make you question who's really safe. Number 2, Florida. From bustling cities to quiet towns, this state's policing issues run deep. The Trayvon Martin case in 2012, shot by a neighborhood watch member, lit a fire under racial profiling debates and showed how justice can fail. And the state with the highest rate of police brutality? Illinois. Chicago's the epicenter. Think Laquan McDonald, gunned down in 2014, caught on dashcam for the world to see. Protests erupted and the demand for accountability hit fever pitch. Hold up, before I go on, drop a comment. Did your state make this list? Guess who's next, or if you're shocked already? Let's hear it. So why are these states topping the charts? It's not random. Big populations, packed cities, poverty gaps, and hardcore policing policies, they're all fuel on the fire. More people, more crime, more clashes with cops. But here's the kicker. Behind every stat is a real person, a real story, a real tragedy. There you have it. The states with the highest rates of police brutality laid bare. It's a wake-up call that this isn't going away anytime soon. So what's the fix? Speak up, push for reform, get involved, because change starts with you knowing the truth. If this video hit you hard, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe for more eye-opening content. Next week, I'm tackling how police brutality slams minority communities. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Stay woke, stay informed, and I'll see you next time.